Hello friends, welcome to Infotech channel. So in this session we will learn list group. Okay, list group in Bootstrap. Let me share my Visual Studio, create new file. Now you can save this list groups. List group.html. So just add list group. Okay, let me add BS link, BS file link, CSS, bootstrap.min.css. Okay, so let me take some beer. So I'm taking container. Row. I'm taking here call Excel 6. Okay, for creating the list. Okay, basically we have 3 lists available in HTML and also in Bootstrap. Okay, like order list, unorder list, and description list. Okay, so here in order to create a list, we can use this class is called list group. Okay, list group is a class, and inside, so in order to create this, we can write here list group. Okay, and I'm creating this li. For li, let me add a class is called okay list group item. List group item. Okay, so here I'm just adding here inbox. Okay, let me make a copy of this, and we can write here read messages, deleted messages, and we can write draft draft messages. Okay, right click, open in default browser. Okay, so there we go, we created a list items here. So we have inbox, read messages, delete, and draft. So for list group, basically you can write an active position so that it will be in the active list item. Let me go to this, let's reload this page. So it will be active. Okay, suppose for the read messages, if you want to like disable, you can write here disabled. Okay, so just reload this. So this should be disable position. Okay, we can also add like this. Okay, I'll try to add one more list. Okay, so in the list group we also have the contextual classes. Okay, the same thing we can add here, we can place here. Okay, for contextual classes we have okay, so like list group success. Okay, list group like a danger, list group dark, different kinds of things. Okay, I'm just adding here. So for this inbox we just add here list group item success. For read, list group item. We can add here warning. We can add here list group item danger. We can also add list group item primary. Okay, so go there, let's reload this. See, we just add, okay, we just add here contextual classes. Okay, and if you want to remove this borders, okay, we use this class is called flesh. Okay, flesh is a class, okay, in order to remove the borders. Okay, you can write here. So here just write list group flesh. Okay, let me go to this browser. Go to this browser, reload this. It's just removing here a border. Okay, and we can also make this as a numbered. Okay, for making this number, we can write here. Okay, I'm just making to while tag. While tag. Okay, and also I'm just entering one number. Okay, so we have one class is called list. Okay, list group numbered. So this class will make you this in numbered. You'll add a number for this list items. Just reload. See, just add a number, okay, to the list items. And next thing, we can also make this list as a horizontal position. Okay, if you want to make this horizontal position, again I'm just making one more row here. Okay, I'm trying to create one more row. Okay, I'm just write MB4. Trying to copy this. We can paste it here, and I'm just making to like a list group horizontal. List group horizontal. So go there, just reload this page. Look at this. We just make a horizontal position. Okay, the same thing. Let me copy this one also. Okay, and we can paste it here. Okay, for contextual. So here remaining contextual classes is right. So we just make this one here. Okay, so group dark and just make it to info, and we have secondary. Okay, and we have primary, we already taken here, and we have a light. Light give, always light give you white color. Okay, light. So let me go to this, just reload this page. Okay, so here we go. We created this. I'm trying to add this list group horizontal. Go to this browser, just reload this page. See, make a horizontal here. Okay, now we have another concept in Bootstrap, that is a badges. Okay, so badge is the one, it just add a you just add some text. Okay, or we can add some content towards this end. Okay, so the badges, like we can add a child for this parent elements. Okay, for inbox, so here I'm taking the inbox, right? For inbox I'm trying to place and a badges. Okay, like inbox I need some 100, and for read messages I need place different types of. Okay, for that let me take here an example. Okay, for inbox I'm trying to display some text here. Okay, so go to this first one, I'm just making here. So I'm taking a span. So I'm taking here a span element. Okay, for the span, trying to add here a class. Okay, badge. I'm taking here basic warning. I will do one thing. I'm just removing this active position. So just write here on a success. BG success. Okay, BG success. So I'm giving here 200 count. Okay, so let me go to this browser. Just reload this page. See, we just add here 200 text here. Okay, similarly for read messages also. Oh, I need to give some number there. So trying to copy this span element, and we can paste it in for the read messages also. So here I'm just giving like 100. Okay, for 100 I'm trying to give warning, warning, and for this one also we can give here 50. I'm just giving here danger. And for this also, for draft, I'm just making here primary. I'm just giving 20. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So there we go. So we created badges here. Okay, so for badges we can also apply like rounded pills. Okay, by using a class is called a rounded pill class, and that's here. Just write here rounded pill class. Okay, we just add same class for this rounded pill. You can paste it here and here also rounded pill. So go to this, just reload this page. Okay, so we place here a rounded pills. Okay, for badges so like this we can place a badge in Bootstrap.